Xiaomi just dropped the Watch 5, and it's not just another iterative update, it's a shot across the bow of Apple and Samsung. While the budget Redmi Watch 5 line is winning on value, the flagship Xiaomi Watch 5 is winning on pure tech. Xiaomi Watch 5 debuts with dual-chip design, ECG, EMG gesture control, and eSIM support. Xiaomi has officially launched the Xiaomi Watch 5 at its Imaging Strategy Upgrade event alongside the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. The killer feature here is the EMG electromyography sensor. This is a first for mainstream smartwatches. Instead of just relying on shaky accelerometers to guess your movement, the Watch 5 reads the electrical impulses in your wrist muscles. This enables neural gesture control. You can clench your fist to answer a call, double pinch your fingers to skip a track, or rub your fingers to control volume. It's eerily accurate because it knows what your hand is doing, even if your arm isn't moving. The Xiaomi Watch 5 features a 47mm stainless steel case and a 1.54-inch AMOLED display with a 2.6mm ultra-narrow bezel. The screen supports up to 1500 nits of global brightness and runs at 60 Hz. Xiaomi uses synthetic sapphire glass for both the display and the heart rate sensor window to enhance durability. The watch runs on a dual-chip, dual-system architecture. It combines a Snapdragon W5 wearable processor based on a 4nm process with the BS2800 low-power chip. The Snapdragon W5 handles high-performance tasks and visuals, while the BS2800 manages background operations and health tracking to optimize battery life. Xiaomi claims the Watch 5 can last up to 6 days in performance mode and up to 18 days in power-saving mode. Xiaomi Watch 5 supports eSIM on select variants, allowing the smartwatch to connect directly to 4G networks without relying on a paired smartphone. The watch handles voice calls, text messages, WeChat, and Alipay payments independently, while also supporting music streaming and turn-by-turn navigation through Baidu Maps. Xiaomi also includes a built-in app store, offering a wide range of applications spanning fitness, social networking, navigation, and everyday utility use. The watch includes advanced health monitoring features. It supports ECG heart rhythm analysis with 30-second readings and detailed reports. Xiaomi also introduces an EMG muscle signal sensor for the first time on a smartwatch. The sensor detects subtle electrical signals from muscles and allows users to control calls, media, alarms, and connected devices with finger movements. Additionally, it includes continuous heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, sleep analysis, stress detection, and one-tap health scans. The Watch 5 offers over 150 sports modes. It includes indoor gym modes with 3D animated guidance, automatic rep counting, and detailed performance evaluation. Outdoor features include offline maps, route navigation, deviation alerts, and track-back assistance for hiking and trail running. The device ships with multiple strap options, including black and khaki fluoroelastomer bands, leather straps, and a premium 3D-printed titanium band. It supports contact-based charging and integrates with Xiaomi's HyperOS system. The watch also supports the Super Xiaomi voice assistant with on-device processing. At roughly $285 for the base model, the Xiaomi Watch 5 is undercutting the Galaxy Watch Ultra and Apple Watch Series 10 while offering gesture tech they simply don't have yet. It's the most pro watch Xiaomi has ever made. Is the EMG sensor a gimmick or the future of UI? Let me know in the comments. I'm Teletech, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.